What's good, family? It's your boy Eddie hollering at y'all. Now, I don't know if you guys heard, but I'm going to let you know now. So, my little brother, Elijah, his name's Ryan, but, he goes by Elijah Blackman. And my brother, he came out with a mixtape, and it's called Clear Sight. Now, not a lot of people have been copping that. My brother is an amazing man of God, extremely, extraordinarily talented, and he's a very, very, very hard worker when it comes down to his music. He loves the Lord with all his heart, and he's an amazing musician, and an amazing work ethic, and an amazing writer. And his music is all centered around the Lord, you know what I'm saying, or just the things that, some of the things that, he thinks about during his life, some of the things that he considers during his walk with Christ, and just things like that. So I'm hoping that you guys, I am doing this video so you guys can go cop his mixtape called Clear Sight. And how you can do that is you can go to his channel, which is called Elijah 2012, and Elijah is spelled ELIJA 2012, and no spaces, that's all together, and all lowercase. And you'll see the most recent video, and go to that most recent video, and the link to copying his mixtape will be in the description. So, and then once you go to that, you're gonna click the I think it's the yellow button at the bottom. Once you click on that link, the site that it sends you in to download the mixtape, it's the yellow download link below the download, and below the green one and the red one, it's the yellow link at the bottom. So I want y'all to go cop that mixtape. I want y'all to go check it out, and I want y'all also to stay tuned for more mixtapes coming from my brother, and also for some music coming from myself. I'm not going to give any details or anything. I'm just writing and recording, so I'm not going to give any details. Don't feel like giving any details. Don't want to give any details, because this is about my brother. So you guys check it out. Stay tuned for more music from him. Stay tuned for more music from me. And stay tuned for more music from DTS, me, Ryan, and Hassan in the future. In the very near future. I'm going to have some music for you guys to listen to, and for you guys to download and go share your friends. Share the gospel that we minister through our music, because it's all about God. So, go cop that mixtape. Go get my brother's mixtape. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go show your friends. Get people to download. And it's for free. We're not trying to get money out of you or anything. We're just trying to spread the gospel. So go get his mixtape. Alright? I'll holla at y'all. Go get a mixtape.